Hello kids! Today we will learn about the short vowel A sound words. The sound of letter A is pronounced as A. Now here we will check out the three-letter words formed with the vowel A, and I'll be showing you the words along with the pictures. Now let's get started. Add words. B add bad. B add bad. D add dad. D add dad. H add had. H add had. L add lad. L add lad. The next one is and words. K an can. K an can. If an fan. If an fan. M an man. M an man. V an van. V an van. Now app words. K ab cab. K ab cab. L ab lap. L ab lap. N ab nap. N ab nap. T ab tap. T ab tap. The next one is at words. B at bat. B at bat. K at cat. K at cat. M at mat. M at mat. R at rat. R at rat.